Hello friends, it's Sherry from Turquoise Dreaming. How you doing today? Welcome to my channel. I'm just here to do a quick flip through of this journal that I just finished for the June Just Do It Junk Journal Challenge. And I've done 2 other videos, so I've gone through a lot of the process that I went through making it, as far as the cover, the pages, the tags, the beads, bead dangles, the paper clips. So I kind of just do a flip through and not a lot of description, except for maybe just pointing out some of the elements for the challenge. So as we start here, I've got already separated the little bead dangle that's going to be hanging on the outside here, just to make it a little quicker to get through the flip through. And this is a piece of lace that matches for the closure. The only thing that you haven't seen is I added to the cover and the back and front some metal corners, and they're on the front and the back here. And I added, of course, I sewed in the signatures, and I used matching baker's twine. It's green and white, and it would just match so perfectly. I had to use that for sewing in the signatures. So as we open up, you had seen the little seed packet here, and I put one of the tags in there. And if I don't show you something, it's because I've already showed it in one of the previous videos. So just trying to make this flip through a little quicker. But we've got cardstock in here, ledger paper. This is a pocket that you've already seen, and here's my fern tag. And then some lined paper, and I put a tag in here, the little winged person tag. And he's got an arm out, sticking out over the tag, so I just put him like that so that he doesn't get his arm messed up. And then I put one of my bead dangles right here and paper clipped on a tag. And then this is, I don't know if you've seen the dragonfly stamp. I don't know if you've seen the stamping, so I'll show you that. I'll point that out. Here's the middle of the first signature. And left the strings nice and long so you can tie a bow or put something on the ends, whatever someone might want to do. Here's the sewn on tag. And I put a tag in this pocket here, added the words and this little flower. And so then as we move on, I added a tag to this pocket with some more words, and this is 2 layers of butterflies that I had cut out. Kind of fussy cut those out. You know, this one's a little bigger, and then the smaller one, and then 2 little gems right there. So I thought that came out real pretty. And then this is one of the belly bands, and I put a tag in here. This is just a tag that's undecorated for someone to do whatever they want with. And just hung that over this side of the belly band, and then this belly band wraps around the page, so it goes on both sides. And then I have 2 more blank tags here for someone to use, and those are just made from cut-offs from the pages, and I think this paper is so pretty, so I want to include those. And then so we're at the second signature, which is the book pages. So we'll just flip through those real quick so you can see those again as they are finished now and sewn in. Here's one of the paper clips I put right there. And here's the middle of the signature. These pages are so pretty in this book and so cute. They have just really pretty graphics, and just look, there's all these little creatures in here. Just so cute. The cardinals. Here's a little something over there, just so cute. I think there's an owl in there. Just really, really cute. There's some little birds in the nest, and some little garden-y type pages. And then this one is the one where I put the playing card as a tab, and that's the end of the second signature. So, and then the third signature, here's the banner tuck spot with a tag now, and some stamping. Here's the flip out, decorated with a flower and a quote, a tab with some stamping. Here's the second belly band with one of the decorated tags. And this journal has a lot of tags. We had to make 15 tags, and they're all in here. So, plus the extra blank ones. Some stamping here, and one of my paper clips right there that I had to make for the challenge, and a tag here that's under that paper clip. I did add a card in here. You hadn't seen that, so I put this pretty card in here. I wanted to add something more to this signature. I needed to add, I felt like I needed one or two more pages in this signature. So I added this pretty card that I had in my stash. And so it has writing room on the back. There's plenty of writing room or room for whatever anyone wants to do in this journal. And I also added this pretty bag to the middle of the signature here and put lots of goodies in here. I won't go through every piece, but you can just see there's lots of little pieces in here to have fun with. And I'll show you on the other side. I like to make my bags into 2 pockets and cut both ends. I've used pinking shears and just made a nice edge on both of those. And then this side, and lots more goodies in here. There's a tally card in here, some vintage receipts, and just lots of things to write on or do whatever someone might want to do with those. I just put as much stuff as I could fit in here. You know, the more stuff you put in your journal, the more chunkier it gets. So I was trying not to, you know, overdo it, but I wanted to put a lot of stuff in here. So here's a couple little banners that were on this paper clip. And this is the back of the card and the back of the third signature. So you can see it turned out real pretty. And I just really love this challenge. It made me think outside my box, and so it's always fun. And put that tag in there. And so we're at the back. Here's some stamping on this page here, a little butterfly. And here's the other little decorated paper clip. I think that's the last one with the trim. And then here we're at the back. I didn't put a pocket here, but because I didn't put a pocket, I had the pockets throughout, so I felt like I had plenty of pockets. But I have this little binder clip here. It's a pink one. Here, the one in the front is the green one. And then so under here, I have a little price tag on here just for fun. And then I just put another little blank tag back here for someone to decorate and have fun with. It's got a little bit of stamping. It was a cutoff, and I got a little bit of stamp on there, but that doesn't really matter because someone's going to decorate this and it won't matter. So that's it. That's the whole journal. You can see it's pretty chunky, but not over. Once you take, if you take out all the tags, it gets, you know, it closes more, but I put all the tags in there, and now that's how it is. But you know, I just want you to see it's really pretty from the sides with the bead dangles and the tags, and you know, just came out really super nice. And in my first video, I described how I made the spine, and I think it's really cool if you can see kind of how it's shaped in the camera. It's I really like how it's shaped, and it looks real, like a real book, and I just love that. I want to make some more little golden books and do this again, how I did the spine. So I'm just going to let you know the size real quick. So let me grab a ruler, because I kind of assume everyone knows the size because I just say it's one of the small little golden books, but of course the spine is different. So I'll tell you the new size that it is now. It's 5 inches wide by, of course the length didn't change. It's a little over 5 3/4. It's just like 1/8 more over 5 3/4 to be exact. So, and the number of pages is, I know there's 22, approximately 22 in the first signature, approximately 22 or 24 in the third signature. And the book page, I think there was about, I'm thinking there was 12, but let me see if I'm right about that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Yes, I'm right. I just was thinking 12, and I thought, oh, maybe there was more than 12, but no, there was 12 pages in the whole book. But of course, I'm not counting fronts and backs, so what you would do is just double. If you want to know fronts and backs, you just double the numbers that I just told you. I know in the first signature there's 22. I think in the third signature there's 24. And then in that middle signature there was 12. So just double that for fronts and backs. And that's it. So I enjoyed this, and I want to thank Julie for doing another awesome challenge, and I can't wait. I've done every challenge, and if you haven't done them, you should try it. She does a Facebook group for each one, and then she does demonstrations on YouTube if you need ideas or don't understand something. And of course, you can always go look at the Facebook page for what everyone else is doing for ideas too. And so yeah, it's just been a lot of fun, and I will see y'all next time. Thanks for watching tonight, and I will see you next time.